Hi parents, a very happy Parents Day. Parents, today I would like to share with you the feedback syndrome. We all expect our children to participate in the competition, or they should secure 90%, 95% or above than these marks. And as soon as the result declared, whether it's for competition or for the school curriculum exams test, we quickly get into the chair of the feedback and we start telling them what they have not done or what they would have done so that they would have win the competition or get the 95% above marks. But before going on this feedback syndrome, I would like to share with you all that there are two kinds of personalities. The number one is the challenge acceptor personality, that is reverse psychology. If we want our kids to perform better, we give them the challenge and they accept it and they start performing that way. And the second kind of personality is a motivation required. We need to push them, we need to give them lot of appreciation, and then they start working on it. So we need to understand that what is the personality of my child, and accordingly we need to get into the chair of the feedback. We should always make an approach of the sandwich feedback. What is the sandwich feedback? The very first layer, it should be the appreciation. Means whatever they have done, it should be appreciated. Their efforts, the kind of stuff they have done, the answers what they have written, the marks what they have got, it should be appreciated. If we really want to get them perform much better next time, then obviously we have to first give the appreciation. Then the second layer is the areas of the improvement, that what is required to improve. Don't go on directly in the improvement feedback, because it is really going to hurt the children that I have done so much but it is not being appreciated. Think it from your point of view. Whatever we are doing at this age, whatever we are doing, we always look for the appreciation that yes, at least I put in effort, so it should be acknowledged. But if it is not happening, then what we will start doing? We start taking the step back. Isn't it? Similarly, it's with the kids, that whatever they have done, the very first thing, it should be appreciated. Then the second is the areas of the improvement. Now don't leave it here that okay, I told you what you have to improve, now just go and do it. No. Still one thing is left. What is the solution? How they can improve? Tell them that also, that these are the different ways where you can improve yourself. So please just go on with this sandwich way of the feedback, because taking the chair of the feedback, taking the chair of the critics is really very challenging. It is a very big responsibility which should be dealt with proper maturity. Think about it.